Okay, hi guys. We are going to talk about the atom today and what the atom consists of. And we're going to use a model of the atom that gives us an idea where the subatomic particles are in the atom. It's not realistic because we know that the atom is a three-dimensional structure and we can only draw it in 2 dimensions. But this will just give us an idea of the 3 subatomic particles that we have and where they're located. So first of all, we have three subatomic particles. We have the protons, the neutrons, and the electrons. Okay? The protons and the neutrons are both located in the center of the atom in the nucleus. Okay? So, and I've got them drawn here in my picture of the atom, and you'll notice that I've got them abbreviated. Proton is, we abbreviate a small p with a positive sign because we know that protons have a positive charge. And then I have neutrons abbreviated as a small n with a 0, and that is because neutrons are neutral. Okay? So the protons and neutrons are in the nucleus of the atom. The other thing that it's important to know is that the protons and the neutrons make up the mass of the atom. So I'm going to make a note down here. Okay. In fact, when we compare the mass of a proton to the mass of a neutron, they're essentially equal. Okay? And what we say is that the mass of a proton is equal to 1 atomic mass unit, or 1 AMU. And we also say that the mass of a neutron is equal to 1 atomic mass unit, 1 AMU. Okay? When we compare that to the electrons, and we'll talk about the electrons, where they're located in just a minute. The electrons are so teensy-tiny that we say that the electrons essentially have 0 mass. Okay? And what that means is that the protons are really large compared to the electrons. So much that when we put the electrons in, they don't even register. Okay? So let's talk about these electrons. Where are they located? Okay? The protons and neutrons are inside the nucleus. The electrons, and notice I've got them in rings outside of the nucleus. We call this area outside of the nucleus, all of these rings, the electron cloud. And we can specify these as energy levels. Okay, so our electrons are found in the electron cloud, or energy levels, outside of the nucleus. Okay? And notice that I've abbreviated electron with a little negative sign. That's because electrons have a -1 charge. Okay? So this is just a really quick video to give you guys an idea of what an atom, just a model, a 2-dimensional model that shows where the protons and neutrons are located in relation to the electrons, and what the mass of the protons and neutrons are in relation to the electron. and also what the charge on each of these atoms are. Okay? I hope that helps.